Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Alina. So you're preparing for this study visa.
Yes, ma'am.
Which country?
UK.
UK. Okay, first time preparing for this exam.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. It's my
Are
first time.
you working somewhere or studying?
No, ma'am. I'm a student.
Okay, you are a student. Okay, so where are you from?
I'm from Vizag,
Where? With city?
Vishakhapatnam,
Okay,
Andhra Pradesh.
Vishakhapatnam, just opposite. End of India, right?
Yes,
Just on the
yes, ma'am.
border. Okay. Okay, Alina. Now please maintain one notes register, okay? Because what I am
Yes,
going to
ma'am.
give you, just please note it down.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, basically, what is IELTS? It's an international English language testing system. Okay, like if you're going to the foreign land, so they are going to test your proficiency in this language. There are four modules in this. You have to appear for four exams to clear your reading, writing, listening, and speaking. Four exams are there. Now, your this listening, reading, and writing exam, that is your LRW, will be on the same day, same time, but your speaking exam is not on the same time. It may be prior to that, or if on the same day, it must be different time. So it's like this, the pattern. Okay. So
Yes,
today I will be starting with your academic reading. Now I'm going to write everything in the chat option side by side. Please note it down.
okay, ma'am.
First, let us understand for the academic reading, the structure. Your academic reading exam is of 1 hour, 60 minutes. Okay, you will get 1 hour to attempt this exam, and total number of questions which you have to appear for, it's 40 questions total. Okay, so it has the 40 questions, 1 hour paper, and here there are three sections. In section 1 you will get 13 questions, section 2 again 13, section 3 you will have 14 questions. Okay, so it's like this. And the passage has, first section, if you see, they have 800 words around. Section 2, again 800 words. And section 3, around 1000 words. Okay, so it will be like this. And each section has one text each, means one passage you will get. Three sections, three passages with a number of questions, 13, 13, and 14. So each section has one text, one passage. Okay, so this is the structure of your academic reading paper. Clear? Now
Yes,
coming
ma'am.
to the task types, what type of exercises they give you in these three sections. Please understand one by one. They can give you true, false, not given type of questions, or they can give you yes, no, not given. Then we have matching type of questions. Under matching type of questions, there are three types of exercises under matching types. They can give you matching features, matching heading, matching information. Okay, so three exercises are under your matching types of
Types.
questions. Now, coming to the last task type is your completion type of questions. Under completion type of questions, there are around 7 exercises under completion. They can give you summary completion, note completion, table completion, flow chart completion, diagram labeling, completion, and then we have MCQs. MCQs means multiple choice questions.
Choice questions.
And then we have short answer questions. So these all are under your completion type
Completion type
of
questions.
questions. So this is the structure of your academic reading test. Okay. So again, I am briefing you. 1 hour of test, 40 questions, 3 sections are there. 13, 13, 14 questions, 800, 800, 1000 words. And each section has one text each, one passage. Now you can get true, false, not given, yes, no, not given. Under matching, we have 3 matching features, matching heading, matching information. And then under completion, we have 7 type of exercises. Clear till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Now see, now let us come to the most imperative part of this is the strategy. Now Alina, if you want to crack this exam for the good band scores, okay, 2 things are very important. First are your vocabulary words. You have to be very strong in your vocabulary. Okay, and second thing is your strategies, the way how you apply. Because IELTS is a technical English. You have to be very smart in applying the strategies, the methods to solve the exercises. Okay. Now let us come to the strategies now. If I talk for the true, false, yes, no, not given, matching features, matching heading, and all the completion exercises, we follow one method, one strategy. Because in all these exercises, sequence order is there. You know what is sequence order? Chronological order is there. Like you can find the answers in a sequence order. Like question 1, para 1, question 2, para 2. See,
Para 2.
maybe up and down 2, 3 paragraphs, but sequence is there somehow in all these exercises. But there is only one exercise that is matching information. There is only one exceptional. Which one? Matching
Matching information.
In matching information, sequence order is not there. Only in this exercise. So to save our time, we follow different strategy. Okay? Because hardly you have 1 hour and 40 questions. So you have to be very smart in solving. Right? Now start writing. Put the heading strategy for strategy for
For
strategy for all the reading exercises strategy for all the reading exercises
exercises.
except matching information. In matching information, I will give you another strategy. What have you written? The heading?
Strategy for all reading exercises except matching information.
Okay. Now start writing. First step. You will read the instructions and follow them well. This will be your first step always. Read the instructions always.
Read the
Because
instructions and
instructions
follow them well.
really play a very pivotal role. Okay, either in IELTS you will get 1 or straight away 0. There is no negative marking, there is no half marking. Okay, so please adhere to the instructions well. Don't cross the limit. If they instruct you to answer in 1 word or not more than 2 words, not more than 3 words, so
3
please
words.
don't exceed that limit in any case. Next step. You will read question number 1. After reading question number 1, you will go to
Question.
paragraph 1. So after reading question number 1, you will go to paragraph 1. Annotate the paragraph. I will teach you what is annotation after this. Annotate the paragraph and then mark the answer. Next step, you will read question number 2.
Ma'am, a second. I have to read question number one and then find answer for it in the paragraph one.
Like you will go to paragraph 1. You will annotate the paragraph. I will teach you what is annotation after this.
Okay,
You
ma'am.
will annotate the paragraph and then you will mark the answer, locate the answer. Next step, same. Read question number 2. Then you will go to the next paragraph and
Annotate.
same, annotate it and then mark the answer. And it will go same with the rest of the questions like this. So I mean to say, in all the exercises except matching information, we will follow from question to paragraph. Okay, we will follow with
Yes.
strategy question to paragraph. Okay, but don't apply this strategy to matching
Matching
information.
information.
Yes, in matching information I will give you another one. The reason, because in that exercise sequence is not there, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Start writing. Strategy for matching information exercises. Okay, start writing. Step 1 will be same. Read the instructions. That will be same. Next step. Now you will read paragraph first. Now this is opposite, vice versa. You will read paragraph first,
Paragraph first.
annotate the paragraph, and then you will mark the answer. Same way, you will read paragraph 2, annotate it, and then you will mark the next answer.
Answer.
So, in all the exercises, we are going from question to paragraph, right? But in matching information, we are going from para to question.
Para to question.
The reason why, because in this sequence is not there. And if you are going to follow from question to paragraph, then you have to read the passage again and again. So please don't do that for matching information.
Okay.
Okay, Lina?
Yes, ma'am.
Now please note down two, three things which are very important. You know what are hyphenated words? Any idea?
No, ma'am.
No.
Hyphenated.
Yes.
I know hyphen.
Hyphenated words are counted as single word in IELTS. If you are going to write hyphenated word, they will be counted as one word. For example, like we used to write well
You.
known. Hyphen is there. I've given an example.
Mm,
Good hearted. These are all hyphenated words. Okay. So if you are
yes, ma'am.
going to write them, they will be counted as one word,
One word.
not two words. And contracted words are not tested. You know what are contracted words?
No, ma'am.
No. Contracted words are called short forms, like I
Oh,
apostrophe M, up I apostrophe double L. Please don't use them in academic writing. In
okay.
speaking, you can use them, but please don't use them in your writing. Contracted words are not tested in writing. Okay. So these are the basic things you should know about it. Now let us understand what is annotation. Now what do you understand by annotation? What is annotation strategy? what happened when a paper is in front of us, we start skimming and scanning. We start reading rapidly, right? Because we have less time, 1 hour and 40 questions. So we start solving it. And sometimes what happened, we are not able to locate the correct answer sometimes, right? So
Yes,
to
ma'am.
curb this problem, we use annotation strategy. Annotation strategy is basically to comprehend the passage by highlighting the keywords. We are going to highlight the keywords in the passage.
Keywords.
So first, tell me, are you aware of the terms PBT and CBT test?
I did not understand.
Like, see, there
CBT,
are,
paper-based test and
you
computer-based.
are going for which test?
Uh, I haven't chose it, ma'am. I think
I'm
I'll go for
telling you
paper test.
difference, Selena. Now, see, if you are good in your handwriting, okay, like if your handwriting is legible, readable, so you can
Hmm.
go for paper based. That is best. Okay, that we used to do in our school days on a paper,
Yes,
right? And if you are good in typing, then only please go for computer based.
computer-based
Because
test.
in that, what happened in typing, something spelling errors are much at risk. So please take that risk if you are very good in your typing. Okay. Second
Yes, ma'am.
difference is in your listening module. For the CBT test, they will give you only half an hour, 30 minutes for this listening test. But for
Hmm.
paper based test, they will give you 30 minutes plus 10 minutes extra.
10 minutes for answer transfer.
Yes.